Good day. This is an updated review of Hull Shield Ultrasonic Anti-Fouling, which I've installed on my boat. Recap, this is the project boat is a 2012 Katie Krogan 52. For more information on the system, you can follow the link on the screen. Here's a link to the original Hull Shield review. Here is the project timeline. The important point here is it's been 78 days since the initial review, and the video will show the current status of the hull. Okay, I'm diving the hull right now, and as you can see, compared to the initial review, the hull is actually fairly clean. There's only a few barnacles on the rudder and the prop and running gear, and very little on the hull itself. The through holes are fairly clean. And there was a little bit of algae growth on the stabilizers. Those get a little bit more sun exposure, being up near the water surface. Here you can see at the waterline level there's some algae that required some cleaning, and right there at the initial part of the bow, that part probably gets the most sunlight, so there's a little bit more algae growth. The thrusters were fairly clean. There was a couple barnacles on there, but nothing too significant. Transducer there is fairly clean. The speed through water sensor, and again the stabilizer had a little bit of algae growth that required minimal scraping. The keel was actually fairly clean. You can see there that I did get myself a little bit close on a sandbar, so I've scraped off some of the bottom paint. So going forward, it's going to be interesting to see if I get more growth on that bottom of that keel. This is the stern thruster. There's a couple, there were a couple barnacles on there, but nothing too significant. A couple barnacles on the rudder, but overall in fairly good shape. And the same with the prop. Going up the starboard side of the boat, more of the same. You can see, and again another shot of the thruster and prop. After 5 months since this project started, I have to say that I'm quite pleased with the results so far. If I can attribute all of the results to Ultra Shield or the bottom job, I don't know. But my objective was to have to clean the hull 6 times, and so far my primary cleaning has been at the water line, which is to be expected. Some algae and a little bit of algae on the bow and the stabilizers. So overall, I have to say that I'm quite pleased. Again, this is an unpaid, unsolicited review, just adding my my opinion for others that are considering this system.